You know, Christina, many of our clients have had difficulty with activities of daily living after having a stroke. One of these limitations can be their ability to put on a shoe or a foot brace, which can make the difference in whether they're fully independent with dressing or not.
That's how the original AFO Assist came to be. It was designed by an occupational therapist, Diane Vello, to improve the dressing independence for both adults and children who may have difficulty putting on their AFO in shoes. It can assist individuals with varying ability levels to use their arms, legs, and trunk.
Yes, and Diane was challenged by a client of hers who had had a stroke to design a product that would help him put on his own shoe and AFO.
Okay, wait. What is an AFO?
Okay, so an AFO is an ankle-foot orthosis. It's a brace that helps control the foot and ankle position and improve mobility. The AFOs are usually used when an individual has foot drop, which is a weakness in the lower portion of the front of the leg that doesn't allow you to lift the front of the foot as you swing your leg through when you're taking a step. So sometimes you may see these people dragging their toes or lifting their leg like they're marching in order to clear that foot.
I see. So who might benefit from using the AFO Assist?
So really anybody with difficulty, having difficulty independently putting on a shoe or an AFO. This could be used by individuals with varying levels of ability of use of their arms, legs, and trunk. For example, after a stroke, maybe cerebral palsy, a spinal cord injury, a peripheral nerve injury, just to name a few.
Let's take a look at the different components of the AFO Assist.
Okay, so first off, you have the AFO Cradle right here. And of course, this is an AFO, and this is where the brace will sit. Now, these little knobs right here are adjustable. As you can see, they tighten with the screw. So you can actually adjust these to pediatric size or adult size or whatever size your brace is.
Because the AFO comes in different sizes, depending on the individual.
Yeah, depending on your foot size.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is the AFO Cradle. This is the shoe platform. So this platform holds the shoe. So let's show that. Yeah, so this goes right up in here. And again, this little band right here can adjust, and it will adjust for pediatric sizes as well. So you can use this with kids and adults.
So this goes up against the wall.
This goes up against the wall.
And it holds the platform firm.
Yes.
So that you're able to push your foot with the AFO, because the AFO is kind of rigid.
Yes.
Well, it is rigid. And so when you push on your shoe, you need some kind of support to be able to get the whole AFO and foot in.
But you know, Christina, the good thing about this whole combination is even though Diane Vello did not make the foot funnel, she includes this in the package because she knows how important that is.
Right.
So this is a foot funnel, and it actually goes in the back of the shoe.
Right.
So that when you are pushing that AFO down in there, it actually gives some stability and some strength to the back of the shoe and allows that AFO to slide in.
Right.
So that is a nice little bonus there with that.
Absolutely.
So let's take a look at a video that shows how to use the AFO Cradle. So as you can see, we have the cradle that you can put the AFO in, and it tips back to give a better angle to allow you to put your foot in. Now you can do this in what we call long sitting on the bed. If you needed to do that as well, you just lay the cradle down on its back. And as you can see, you're able to use one hand because of the stability of the brace, one hand to get the AFO straps adjusted and put onto the brace. And then once it's on, we're going to move on to the next step. And we're going to take a look at a video on how to use the shoe platform. So here we have that. It's up against the wall. We're using a reacher to hold the tongue of the shoe. There's the foot funnel. You kind of push down in there, and of course this takes some practice, but that's how you do it. And then the foot funnel comes out after you've done that. As you can see, the AFO Cradle and the shoe platform combination can really increase a person's ability to put on their own shoe and AFO independently.
If you think the AFO Assist may be helpful for you or someone you love, be sure to scan the QR code on the screen or visit aecorner.com.
So what do you think, Sin?
I say the original AFO Assist gets the AE Corner seal of approval.